Anong ginagawa mo? Pinapatuyo mo yung steak. Wow. Wow. Ikaw ba si Salt Jigs?
Salt dude.
Timer starts ha.
Starts now.
Hindi vlog. Kahit 1 minute lang ha.
Oo.
Uy, layo niyan. Straight ha.
Kasi pag-king ng size.
Tapos lang pala. Asa na?
1 minute! Okay, ahon. So, yummers.
Tasting na tayo.
Yummers. Ang tawag dito, basting? Pasting?
Base.
Base? Wow. Pasting. Saucy. Yummers. Wow. Skill.
Oh,